Hi everyone, Bruno from RVing TV. Welcome back to the channel. So we're here today with John from Keystone Hideout Division, and John is going to take us through a hideout to point out some of the popular features that many consumers may know and not necessarily know about that are special about the hideout as compared to some of their competitors. Thank you, John, for taking the time with us today.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Glad to be here. A couple of the great features we have with the Keystone Hideout that really kind of differentiates ourselves from a lot of our competitors. We're going to start with simply this outlet right over here. You'll notice a bright yellow sticker that shows inverted outlet. With Keystone, we have made a giant push to add solar to all of our trailers. Everything from our shortest 17-footer all the way up to our 38-foot models now comes standard with SolarFlex 200. What that SolarFlex gives you is a 200-watt solar panel up on your roof. It gives you a 15-amp MPPT charge controller in your pass-through storage. That gives you the opportunity to harness that power and relay it to those batteries that you have standard on all of your trailers. The reason why I pointed out that nice little outlet with that yellow sticker is Keystone has taken that next step to give you inverted power if you add an inverter to this trailer. A lot of our customers are starting to camp at festivals or starting to camp at some off-grid sites. This gives you the opportunity to charge your phone. It gives you the opportunity to run that CPAP machine that you need to sleep at night. Some great added power features standard with all of your Keystone. That ties right into our nice new Furrion soundbar that we have standard on most of our trailers. Gives you the USB port and the HDMI port right in the front, giving you that ability to charge your electronics or also use those gaming systems that your kids might need at the campsite. As you see right down here on the floor as well, we have the RVing Intervac Central Vacuum System. It is a great central vacuum for you and your family. It comes with a 30-foot collapsible hose as well as all the added attachments to vacuum out this trailer. A couple other hidden features you might not see as you're walking through our hideouts is our floor system as well. All of our floors come standard with what's called Dynaspan material. This is an 8-foot wide by 24-foot long section of marine grade material. It is filled with marine grade resin to have some waterproof characteristics to it. It comes in those 24-foot long sections so you don't have to worry about seams. And what's best about it is it comes with a 25-year warranty, exclusive from Keystone. Couple other features, if you look up at our ceilings, we have revolutionized our Blade AC system. This gives you 20% more efficient airflow than your traditional RV manufacturer. We have eliminated all the corners inside your AC ducts. We've added some plastic couplers to hold your AC ducts together, as well as this Blade signature collar to force the air down into the cabin in 360-degree views. Couple other highlights, if you come back here to our bedrooms, you'll notice we've got his and hers wardrobes, his and hers nightstands, his and hers outlets on each side of the bed. We also have one of our industry exclusives with our laundry chute here on the side of the camper. It allows you to get those dirty clothes outside of the camper, outside of your bedroom, so you don't have to worry about it. One of our other safety features we have included in all of our hideouts is your underbed storage. You'll notice our pass-through storage is obstructed, so you don't have to worry about any of those intruders, any of the extra animals or anything coming through into your bed. It also allows you, as you're traveling up and down the road, to keep that dirty material separated from some of your pillows, your blankets, your camp chairs, so on and so forth. So, last couple items I want to talk about. We're going to talk about our 12-volt refrigerator. This is standard in all of our Keystone Hideout material. It gives you a 10 cubic foot refrigerator made by Norcold. A couple of industry exclusives with it is the night mode that reduces the decibel level. It also reduces how much power is coming in, especially for those campers who are relying on solar power. Nice 10 cubic foot. It gives you the opportunity to store more product than a lot of our competitors. You're not going to have that interrupted storage space in the back. Nice, full, deep storage for any of those gallons of ice cream, those full-size slabs of ribs, or even those gallons of milk. Last couple things we're going to talk about. If we work our way back to the bathroom, you will notice in all of our bathrooms we have a porcelain toilet. It's a big selling feature for a lot of our customers. They love the fact that they can have that residential style porcelain toilet as opposed to the plastic knockoff that a lot of our competitors use. You will also notice a full-size shower In this particular model, that is standard on all of your Keystone Hideouts. A full stand-up shower, not gonna have those corner radiuses that you have to worry about turning around in. And finally, last thing we're gonna point out is our full-size double over double bunk beds on this model. You'll notice the nice thick foam mats. You'll notice a window. You will also notice lights as well as outlets on both bunks. It gives you that opportunity to actually use this space. You'll also notice underneath is full storage for you and your family. Lots of bike chairs, those bikes, those coolers, whatnot. As you're traveling to and from the campsite, you have tons and tons of storage. Thanks for joining us today with the Keystone Hideout. Again, John with Hideout. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you very much, John. We appreciate it. And we'd like to say a special thank you to Bella Vista RV for providing the trailer for this video. Come take a look at the Hideout. It has great features. And as many of you know, I'm an ex-dealer for many years, and you'll be super pleasantly surprised both at all the features and quality and the fantastic value that Hideout represents. Thanks. Make sure you live life to the fullest.